Hey guys, today we are in Seat Leon with a MIB2 based infotainment system. This is MIB2 standard device and I believe it's called Seat Navi System 6P0 or 6P0, and I'm going to show you how to enable the hidden developer mode over here. So by default, if you press and hold the menu button for about 3 seconds, you will go into this service mode and you have two options over here. But if we enable the developer mode, there will be an additional option over here, as well as additional menu if we press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. So to enable it, you need a diagnostic tool like OBDeleven, which is already connected to the OBD2 port, and I have the application over here connected with the vehicle. So I'm going to enter list of all modules, and over here close to the bottom of the list there's a module called multimedia. This is the main unit of the infotainment system. The index number is 5F. So let's enter it, and over here we need to change the service. So we have change service option over here. Let's press it and let's switch from the diagnostic session to the development mode. Let's change it, and right now when the session is changed we can go to adaptation, and in adaptation first option on the list in this case is called developer mode. You can enter it, set it to active and slide to write new value. And this adaptation was made successfully. We can now check if the new option is available over here. Yes, it is. We have the function enabling codes option. Over here we can check which codes are supported by the unit, and we can check which codes are actually installed in the unit. So right now we can go back, and if we press and hold the menu button for about 10 seconds, as I said before, we should get even deeper into the internals of this system. So we are in the test menu. We can go to the green menu. We can trigger software download with custom selected packages. We can change the skin of the unit. We have some skins to choose from over here, and there's a lot of other options which are meant for the developers of this firmware. We can go into the green menu to check what's over there. We have some diagnostic information about the radio tuner, for example. You can check how the tuner is tuned to and what's the quality of the signal. And this is useful if you are, for example, retrofitting LEDs into your reverse light, and you can check if the LED lights are not causing some quality issues with the signal reception over here. You can check if the signal reception drops when you engage reverse gear, for example. So often I'm asked what's the reason of enabling this hidden menus in those cars and what can actually be done over here. In this case, as said before, this is a developer mode for developers of the software, so it's not intended for the end user. Hint that it's locked by default from the factory, but still you can find some interesting stuff over here if you are into car electronics programming and so on. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.